Hi, my name is Emily, and I'm going to be doing the case report on the Thingvellier National Park. First of all, it is located in southern Iceland and is a unique feature of the North Atlantic rift system where most of the ridge is submerged under the ocean. This is one of two places in the world where you can observe tectonic plates shifting away from each other, the other being the Great Rift Valley of Eastern Africa. This is caused by the North American and Eurasian plates separating at the crust. They are moving at about 1 millimeter apart every year. Features of this divergent shifting has caused volcanic activity and different fissures in the valley. Iceland is home to numerous shield volcanoes that were formed under glaciers from thousands of years ago. As the lava erupted to the surface of the crust, it was cooled quickly under a thick layer of ice. Lava lobes, pillows, and other features have also been formed between the glacial and post-glacial eras. Lake Thingvellier is the largest lake in Iceland and is formed entirely of glacial water. Its surrounding volcanic activity has prevented highland runoff from reaching it, while allowing it to remain below sea level. Thingvellier last saw an earthquake in 1789. However, this region has not seen any major geological disaster in thousands of years. It actually remains a popular tourist spot, with the remnants of hot lava flows, waterfalls, and lush greens. This site has been made into a national park and World Heritage Site for its historical placement of parliamentary meetings from the years 930 AD to 1798 AD. In that time, the continents had shifted 3 to 4 meters.